Okay, we're going to continue with our keyword research, and I'm going to type the term in here, chest exercises, click for keyword ideas. And I've looked into this keyword before, and this is a relatively good gold mine of keywords. What we find is a very good combination of the bar here under advertiser competition not being full, and we see good searches for the keyword. And just intuitively for men, uh, working the chest is common, very common, and that's evident through the number of searches here that are showing up. But also, we find for some reason that the competition for the term is weak. Now, maybe some people are finding that I mean, we don't know why that is. Sometimes there is a reason for it, but just until we can do further testing, we're finding that this is a very good source of keyword. Now, I'm looking for a few terms here to research. Let's take a look. I've already looked into a few of these, that's why I'm skipping many of them. Okay, here's alright, let's take this one, exercises for chest. I'm going to click it, put it into my search field right there. I just press Control C. I highlighted the area, press Control C, and now I'm going to evaluate the competition for the term. Now the first thing I notice is the keyword term is exercises for chest, and no one in the right column. There is no left column competitor, meaning that Google hasn't deemed anyone highly relevant enough to put them in the left column as an advertiser. And in the right column, only one person was smart enough to even have any of the keywords in their ad. I mean, there's not a single one of the keywords in the ad. So I would put the competition right now as moderate or moderate heavy, because we see there are a lot of people competing for the ad, but they are very poorly optimized. So that gives us the potential to, if we optimize properly for the keyword, to rank much higher, to even get into the left column without bidding too much. Now you always want to click the search a few times. I clicked it again, and now, okay, so we see that there are a few people at least using the word exercise, but again, only 2 people are using the word chest. One of them is our friend Mike Geary, who knows what he's doing when it comes to AdWords. Gonna click it again, and yeah, I noticed here somebody had a 10 great arm exercises, sculpt your arm, and these 2 people right here, we notice they're optimized and they're showing up at the bottom, so which gives me the idea that they're only spending maybe a few cents per click, but are probably getting a few clicks since they are optimized. So this term is wide open. So I'm going to copy it, go to my keyword list I have here, put it into the left column. Well, I notice that I already have it here, so I can forget about that. I already did the research on this keyword. Exercises for chest, I put it in. I put in the number of searches. It's 12,100, and then I typed in medium to weak as the competition for it. Now let me go back to the keyword list and look at one of these other ones. Now, chest exercise. Let's take a look at that. We see it has many more searches, but Google has already showed us in that chart that there is a lot of competition for it. And let me click that again. Chest exercise at Amazon. I see truth about abs here again. Okay. Now I've decided that I'm essentially probably going to optimize a page for chess, because I've noticed through my research that it is relatively weak. So I'm going to alright, there was a little mistake there. Let me press Control C. You highlight it, press Control C, go here. I'm going to put it in there, chest exercise, and the searches again was 33,100. But I would rate this competition as medium heavy. So it may be something I want to go after because there were so many searches. And one thing that I'll point out later is that we can find a KEI score, which is the competition for the natural searches. So this is good to know just at a glance whether or not I should go after that keyword. Alright, so that's how you go and you try to discover different keywords, related keyword terms, and the competition for them, and look for some good keyword terms and related keywords that you would want to optimize for. For chest, you can see here that I have already 6 terms that I've typed in here, and most of them are weak to medium weak. Best chess exercises gets 5,400 monthly searches. I found out that it was weak. Chest exercises for men, medium. Exercises for chest, medium weak. And the way I deemed whether it's weak or medium weak, again, was by putting the keyword term in. Again, let me best chest exercises was one that I found was weak. Let me type that in just to demonstrate. Best chest exercises. Put the search in, and we notice that there is no AdWords competition. Nobody. Even one person, you know, I'm clicking search over and over again, and we'll occasionally see somebody typing in the word chess, but that's it. And the natural search, this second term is actually a good friend of mine, this listing. So it's possible to advertise on his site in the content network, but nobody else here happens to be, well, we see everybody in the search results is very well optimized. We see the word best chest exercises showing up over and over again. So the people here have done their due diligence, but in terms of advertisers, this is wide open. So with a very, very low bid, it will be possible for us to easily get into this top listing in the left column of Google. So that's something that we want to point out. Alright, so that was how to evaluate again keywords, find some hidden opportunities, and just in general to fill in this keyword list. What we want here eventually is hundreds and hundreds of keywords, and have the information on them and find out which ones we want to optimize for, create pages for, and create products for.